service all in one place. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, selamat datang and welcome all of you to the Gardene OPPO Flagship Store grand opening and OPPO Reno 10 times 12GB RAM special edition launch. Once again, big applause to celebrate that, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a double excitement because OPPO unveiled its Reno smartphone series back in May and it quickly grew in size, ladies and gentlemen. Now, the OPPO Reno 10 times zoom is getting a refresh with 12GB RAM alongside a new ocean blue color. And of course, to tell us a little bit more about this, ladies and gentlemen, let's put your hands together and welcome Mr. Ray Wong, Product Specialist of OPPO Malaysia. Big applause and let's welcome.
It was launched previously in May and we received many hits and great feedback as one of the top flagship models that created by OPPO. So today, we bring you the OPPO Reno 10 times zoom with efficient, high-tech and effective. This OPPO Reno 10 times zoom 12GB RAM is packed in a stunning new ocean blue color, as you can see here, still offering the astonishing 60 times zoom. And now, with an increase of 12GB RAM, this model simplifies convenience, experience of a different outlook at a faster pace. Not forgetting about the cameras, creativity is no longer limited by the distance. But this Reno 10 times zoom 12GB RAM, which is still using, going above and beyond. The cameras work collaboratively to realize a full focal length of 16mm to 160mm, thus achieving the 10 times hybrid zoom and 16 times digital zoom. It is the first pass to Zul Ariffin.
Hello, hi.
Hi Zul.
Hi.
Hi. Long time.
Thank you.
Say hi to your fans.
Hello guys.
You're looking for when we are looking for food.
Smartphone?
Yes. What can you choose?
Experience? I mean, no,
Like that?
that's a lot.
So maybe how it goes in your daily life or how it goes?
Okay, so my opinion is like a car engine, you know, when you travel with your car, you get good engine for it, you know, to travel to your destination, you know, you want it to be smooth, you know, no lagging and all that. So the same goes with a smartphone. So, I mean, with higher RAM you can do so much. You can play, you know, check the documents or replying text or check your email.
Actually, it helps a lot in the daily life.
Exactly.
Work,
Exactly.
So, besides the RAM, I mean, this we also come out with a new color, ocean blue. And besides that, actually, we have a very speedy feature, which is the vote. That's all. And I think, thank you for Zoom.
Thank you. Thank you.
Maybe have a rest first.
Okay, I'll go now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And for the fans, please stay on.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Reno, the 10 times zoom 12GB special edition. So, ladies and gentlemen, you know what? Besides Zul, he's a big fan of OPPO. We have one more special guest joining us today. She is indeed a really huge old fan as well. And now I'm going to switch my channel a little bit. 你们知道她是谁吗？谁要出场啊？我们的女神叫什么名字？好不好？全场来宾朋友一起以热烈的掌声来欢迎蔡卓宜 Joey 我们的女神出场。太漂亮了，掌声响起好不好？哦。Joey, it's good to see you here， 好不好？销售服务，对不对？
就单一销售或者是单一的，就是售后服务，就是我就觉得很特别，而且就是它还有很多额外的，还有就是它里面还有一些 IoT。
对，所有 OPPO 的产品 IoT 产品呢都在里面都可以得到。哦，比如说我们的这个刚才Ray有说到的，也就是我们这个 OPPO Echo Q1 的耳机，超级棒的啊，还有就是我们的这个智能手表以及我们的这个 speaker。除了之外呢，今天也是我们 OPPO Reno 10倍变焦12GB RAM 特别版的发布会，也就是你手上。
And entertainment experience. I believe we are all excited for this moment. Right now, I'm proud to present you our new OPPO The Garden's Flagship Store. This time, we bring
Spectacular the flagship store is. Are you all ready for that, ladies and gentlemen? We're going to show the teamwork now as teamwork makes 3, 2, 1. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Unveil to you the OPPO Flagship Store located here at the Gardene Store. At the nicest sport here, as we are about to have the parade of our newly launched, ladies and gentlemen, OPPO Reno 10 times Zone 12GB RAM special. Let's welcome Miss Elizabeth Tan, Executive Director of the Gardene Mall. Big applause and let's welcome Mr. Danny Ding, Retail General Manager of OPPO Malaysia. Miss Joey Chua, 蔡卓仪，有请。Mr. Boyce Lee, General Manager of Key Account. Let's welcome Ms. Rachel Zhao, Customer Service Manager. I'd like to have all of our VIPs on position, please. Let's take a photo. Right, can we have all of our VIPs? Everybody, come on, let's do this together. Scream along, soar. The count of 3. Everybody, come on.